Is your charger giving you a hard time? Is your battery not charging? Are you having any issues related to charging your computer or your laptop? Then keep watching this video because I am going to show you 9 different methods through which you can solve this issue. And one of these methods will guarantee work for you. Okay? Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Kaushal and you're watching TechOop. So today we are going to talk about 9 different ways through which you can fix your battery problems. So any issues related to your charging your system, this is the video that you have to see. Ask this question to yourself. Are you actually plugged in or not? Because I know it sounds very silly, but actually this might be a problem with a lot of users. Because it could be possible that they have connected their adapter to the charging port, but if the switch is not on, then will your laptop charge? Just check this once, okay? And after that, just check the charging port also, whether it is completely attached inside or not. If it's not, then maybe this is the issue that you were facing and it's as simple as that. That was an easy fix. Well, if that is not the problem with you, no problem. We have 8 more methods and one of these methods will definitely work for you. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, so this might be a little bit tricky for new people, but in case if your battery is removable, then you should definitely try removing it. And if it's not, then you can even remove it manually. But it should only be done if you are confident enough that you can set it back up. Okay, if you're not, then just let it be. You can skip this method and go to the next one. But in case if you are technical enough to do this, then definitely try this out. Remove your battery and then press the power button, so it will drain out all the battery that's present in your computer, the residual battery, and after that try turning it on. So when the power adapter is connected, your laptop will still turn on even if the battery is not present. If it turns on, then it might be the problem with your battery only and your battery needs to be replaced. At least you found the solution to it, right? And if it does not get turned on, there might be some other issue which we'll be covering in the next methods. But in case if your laptop turns on after this, then try reattaching the battery again. It might just be a loose battery placement problem. If that was the case, then your system will start working and charging efficiently now. Now this is for those people who have recently purchased a new charger or an adapter for their laptop. If that is the case and your laptop is still not charging, just check the voltage of your adapter, okay? If let's say the default adapter that you got with your laptop, it had charging of let's say 45 watts. So if the current charger that you have is below that, then it won't charge actually, or it would create a lot of issues, or it would just be extremely slow. So make sure that the new charger you have is equal to the original charger wattage or more than that. I hope that's clear.
Hell yeah!
Now what I need you to do is just take your charger cable and I want you to feel it, okay? Feel each and every length, try bending it, try moving it, just see if there is any break or anything within the cable, because it might be possible that some wires have been internally be broken. That's why the electricity is not able to pass through the adapter or the cable. Also check once if the plug port of your adapter is completely fine or not. Like if it's a little bit black in color or if it smells a little bit, it might have been burnt out, and that could be the issue that your plug is not working actually. So do check this once. So the next thing you have to do is you have to check your connector. That means the pin that I'm talking about, which goes inside your laptop. So make sure that it is fairly solid. When it is inside, if it keeps wobbling or if there is anything you feel like it's not as solid as it used to be, then that is the problem. What you can do is you can just take it out, just clean it from everywhere, blow air inside it to make sure that there is no dust present inside it. Once that is done, try plugging it back in. It might just work after this. But in case if it is wobbly or it is not that solid, you should definitely consider getting a new adapter or at least take it to a repair shop to get it checked once. Next thing you have to do is you have to check if your system overheats regularly. So if you are someone who uses their laptop on their bed, then because of that the air vents will get blocked by the bed, and in turn will make your system overheat a lot. If you feel just heat around your laptop, this might be an issue, and overheating actually leads to depletion of your battery life, and after one point it might just damage it completely. So if you are using it on the bed, then you should stop using it right now. Apart from that, it could also be possible that this is a very temporary issue. So if that is the case, then just turn off your system completely, let it charge for a while, and after that see if it works or not. Also, take a minute out and just check if the air vents are free of dust and everything. If there is some dust occupied, then you can clean your air vents, and that would stop the issue of overheating and thus make you help charge your battery faster. There is also a possibility that there are no actual hardware issues with your system. It could only be software problem. If that is the case for you, you can just check it once. Go to your device manager, right click on the batteries and tap on update driver. If there are any updates available for your driver, or if your driver is damaged or like maybe just corrupted for some reason, then this will fix the issue for you, and maybe that is just the problem that you're facing. So try updating your driver as well. Okay, if none of the previous methods have worked for you, I just have these two last methods available. Try these and this might just fix the issue for you. So my second last method is you should actually buy a new battery, a new adapter and a new charging cable. There is a reason why I'm asking you to buy these three things. The first reason could be that any one of these three things are damaged, but until you test out all three of them, you wouldn't know. So the first thing you have to do is just replace your charging cable. So generally charging cables are detachable from the routers. So just remove that, try plugging it anew. It could be the charging cable issue as well. So if that is the case, then new charging cable just fixed everything. Or the second issue could be that your adapter might have been short circuited. It's a problem with your adapter. Your laptop is fine, your laptop's battery is fine, and also your charging cable is fine. So replacing the adapter will help you fix that situation. And finally, get a new battery. Now it is not always possible to judge if your battery is damaged or not. So the best way to do is just replace with a new one and see if it works then or not. Okay, so you have tried out each and every methods of this video and it is still not working, then I think it's just time that you accept it that you can't fix it yourself. Just go to a computer repair shop or contact tech support or something, contact your laptop ka service center and just have a chat with them. They will help you figure it out, and if you're still in warranty, they just might replace the system for you. That could be true. So that's all for my video, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. Let me know in the comments if one of these methods actually helped you fix this issue or not. Now smash that dislike button if you did not like this video, and in case if you actually liked it, you know what to do. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Kaushal. Peace out.
That's good.